If Jupiter were to swallow every planet in the solar system, it would lead to a dramatic and catastrophic reorganization of our solar system. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has a mass that is about 318 times that of Earth, and its gravity is immense. Here's a detailed look at what would happen if Jupiter were to engulf all the planets in the solar system. **1. Gravitational disruptions, orbital instability. As Jupiter began to consume other planets, the gravitational forces would create significant instability. The gravitational influence of Jupiter on the remaining planets, asteroids, and comets would cause their orbits to become highly eccentric or unstable. This could result in collisions between these bodies or their ejection from the solar system entirely. Solar system dynamics. The gravitational disturbances caused by Jupiter's consumption of planets would disrupt the entire solar system. The Sun's orbit around the center of the Milky Way might be affected due to the sudden change in mass distribution within the solar system. **2. Process of swallowing. Tidal forces. Jupiter's powerful gravity would exert immense tidal forces on the planets it approached. These forces would stretch and deform the planets, potentially breaking them apart before they are fully engulfed. The process would involve a series of violent interactions, with planets being pulled into Jupiter's atmosphere and eventually into its core. Atmospheric disruption. As each planet is pulled into Jupiter, its atmosphere would interact with Jupiter's own atmosphere. The violent entry of these planets would lead to massive atmospheric disturbances, including intense storms and heat generation. Jupiter's Great Red Spot and other storm systems could become even more intense as a result. 3. Accretion and mixing. Planetary material. The material from the swallowed planets would be mixed with Jupiter's own atmosphere and interior. This would lead to significant changes in the composition of Jupiter. The added material would increase the planet's mass and potentially alter its internal structure. Core and composition changes. Jupiter's core, which is believed to be composed of rock and ice, would be affected by the influx of additional planetary material. This could lead to changes in the core's composition and thermal state. The increased mass could also lead to higher pressures and temperatures within Jupiter. *4. Effects on Jupiter's structure. Increased mass. The mass of Jupiter would increase significantly as it absorbed the planets. This additional mass could potentially alter Jupiter's gravitational influence in the solar system, affecting the orbits of remaining objects and potentially leading to further gravitational perturbations. Atmospheric changes. The addition of new materials would change the chemical composition of Jupiter's atmosphere. This could result in new atmospheric phenomena or alterations in the existing ones, such as changes in the colors of Jupiter's cloud bands or the formation of new storm systems. *5. Impact on the solar system's stability. Orbital changes. The gravitational impact of Jupiter's increased mass would lead to changes in the orbits of the remaining celestial bodies. The perturbations could cause new orbits to form, potentially resulting in chaotic and unstable trajectories for any remaining bodies. Potential ejections. Some objects, including asteroids and comets, could be ejected from the solar system entirely due to the increased gravitational influence of the now massive Jupiter. The solar system structure would be significantly altered, with potential disruptions to the distribution of remaining debris and celestial bodies. *6. Effects on Earth and life. Loss of Earth. If Earth were one of the planets consumed by Jupiter, the planet would be destroyed and assimilated into Jupiter's atmosphere. This would result in the complete loss of Earth's biosphere and the extinction of all life forms. Impact on remaining life. The overall stability of the solar system would be compromised, affecting any remaining life-supporting planets or moons. The changes in gravitational forces and atmospheric conditions could have severe consequences for any other celestial bodies that might have been habitable. *7. Long-term implications. Solar system evolution. The long-term evolution of the solar system would be drastically altered. With Jupiter's mass increased and the planets consumed, the dynamics of the solar system would be fundamentally changed. configurations could emerge over time, but the system would be left in a state of upheaval. Potential for new equilibrium. Over time, the solar system might settle into a new equilibrium, but this process would be complex and take place over millions or billions of years. The new configuration would likely be very different from the current structure. In summary, if Jupiter were to swallow every planet in the solar system, it would lead to dramatic gravitational disturbances, intense atmospheric changes, and a fundamental reorganization of the solar system. The process would involve the violent disintegration of planets, significant alterations to Jupiter's structure, and potential disruptions to the orbits and stability of remaining celestial bodies. The impact on Earth would be catastrophic, resulting in the loss of our planet and its biosphere. The long-term effects would involve a completely transformed solar system, potentially taking